In this next demo, we would discuss about agentic workflow. There are multiple agentic workflow, uh, for example, LangGraph, CrewAI, Llama Index, and many more. In this demo through CrewAI, we would demonstrate how agentic workflow works. So here we are trying to create a travel planner, a travel guide, using multiple agents in a Crew AI workflow. Okay. Um, Suppose you are traveling from Bengaluru to, say, Delhi, and you are starting on, say, 28th of April, and you are returning back on, say, 27th. Okay. And your interest is, say, historical places. Yeah. So this is how we got the response. So first it is giving an introduction of the place, then it is giving you day-wise plan on your day of arrival, the places that you can visit from what time to what time, and all the details, right? Day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7, and finally a conclusion, right? So this is how you can use agentic workflow to accomplish a task, right? And behind the scene, under the hood, how it works, this is the Crew AI workflow. So you would have multiple agents, and agents would have access to tool, right? That is how it is querying the internet and getting the details about the place that you are planning to visit based on your interest. And agents are given certain task, okay? And then there could be a supervisor kind of agent who would direct the task to the worker agents, and then they would accomplish the task, report that back, and then there could be one, that controller who would basically compile all the inputs and then create the final outcome, right? So this is how agentic workflow works. And I would show you also a little bit of code here, because that would give you the understanding of how exactly it works under the hood. So here, if you see the code, right? So what you basically do is, this is how in Crew AI you define the agent. So here we have defined one local travel guide expert, and you tell the agent what is his role, what is the goal of the agent, what is the expectation. In the backstory, you basically talk about like a local travel guide and an expert who has knowledge about the city tourist attractions and provide optimal sightseeing option based on the interest of the traveler, right? So you give the backstory, then you give the LLM, give it the tools that it needs. So this is one agent, which is the local travel guide expert. Then you have another agent called travel logistic expert, who would basically can check the other logistical issues in the city, like what is the weather of the city during that period that you are planning to travel, and if there is any festival or things like that. Accordingly, it can fine tune your travel plan, right? So these two agents then would give the details to another agent, which is like a compiler of all the input. So here you have given the instruction that to compile all gathered information from the other agents and provide the overall comprehensive triplet. And then also you define a task, which you also saw in the other diagram. So agent and agent also has certain task. So this is how you basically assign a task, um, and specifically instruct the agents to uh, accomplish this task, right? So this is in a nutshell how a workflow works. Uh, so I'm stopping this demo here. Hope this demo was useful. Thanks for staying back till the end of the video. See you in the next video.